Hi everyone, this is Nambi from Sweet Potato Tech. I am working as a team leader. So now I am explaining the Revenue Grid plugin. So this is the plugin. By using this plugin, we can easily integrate our email instance to Salesforce organization. And by using this plugin, we can easily create a new lead or new contact or a person account or a business account from our email instance to Salesforce organization. So this is the plugin. I just click that. After that, open any one of the email. The revenue grid suggests for a person account or a new contact in the sidebar. If I just click any new account button, then you can see the related field in account object. I just filled out the mandatory fields. Then create a new account. Then the new account has been created in our Salesforce org. So this is the contact with the email ID of testuser@sgs.com. We can create a new contact or new person account or a new lead by using this email ID. I just create a new contact. Just enter the last name. My email ID is automatically filled out based on the email information. And then click the create button. Then the both account and contact has been created in our Salesforce organization. I just go to the Salesforce org. So this is the account I have just created in my email instance by using Revenue Grid application. You can see the details of the account in the section. SGS is the account name and the website is sgs.com. So this is the business account. If you go to the related tab, you can see the SGS user as a contact. So this is the way Revenue Grid plugin used. Thank you.